Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Pointwise Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a couple of minutes. Today we're talking about the Boundaries tab in the Automatic Volume Mesh feature. I have here 9.5 spheres, and they're named very specifically. I have sphere blue, sphere green, sphere orange, and sphere yellow. That's going to matter here. We're going to select everything and we're going to go create Automatic Volume Mesh, create Volume Mesh Boundaries. I already have geometric growth turned on and wall normal spacing 0.1. They've already been dropped into their automatic buckets, but I want to make a new bucket, so I'm going to click New. I'm going to change this to smaller. I'm going to hold Shift and create a selection box, so I grab all of these spheres and dump them into the smaller. You'll notice 37 now are in this smaller wall condition, and they're explicitly written out down here in the pattern. I can delete some of them and they'll disappear and they'll drop back into their automatic buckets up top. But there's a quicker way. There's a different way of handling this. I'm going to delete everything. I'm going to leave this as smaller, and instead I'm going to click New down here in a pattern, and I'm going to write sphere asterisk. Those same 37 domains from above are now attached. I can go even further. I can click New again and I can say sphere dash blue asterisk. And now instead of a plus sign, I want to make it minus. So what I've got here is 37 minus 12 is 25. These are the ones that are assigned to the wall. We have the original sphere, but we're taking out the blue spheres, and the blue spheres are dropping back to their standard bucket, which is the boundary layer. By dialing in the names of your domains, you can really specify which boundary conditions are assigned to what, and you can do it all based upon name. This is a really cool aspect of the Automatic Volume Mesh feature. Now with this all done, I'll click back over to Global, create Volume Mesh. Okay. And initialize, and you'll see a smaller step size around these other spheres, and the blue still gets the larger. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or comments, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all. Have a pleasant Tuesday.